Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get your QR code in Okta. If you are setting up multi-factor authentication or connecting your account to an authenticator app, we will walk you through the simple steps to find your account quickly and securely. Let's get started. On your Okta dashboard, we will click your name in the upper right corner. Then we will click on Settings. Once we are in Settings, we will click Okta Verify. Next, we will set up another verification method. After that, we will enter our password and get a verification code on our cell phone. Once we have that, we will click Verify. From here, we will click Setup, and now we can see the Okta verification QR code. We will simply scan this QR code and we are all set. That's it. We have now shown you how to access your Okta QR code for a secure account setup and easy sign-in.